Looking for a portable blender bottle that won't break the bank but still gets the job done? In this video, we're counting down some of the best budget-friendly options on Amazon for every lifestyle and budget. Stay tuned until the end, because the top picks might surprise you. And as always, you'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Starting off our list at number 8, we have this compact portable blender bottle, a great choice for anyone who wants fresh smoothies without spending a fortune. What makes it appealing is how easy it is to take anywhere. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, class, or even on a weekend trip, this lightweight design slips easily into a backpack or cup holder. The built-in rechargeable system means you can blend fruit shakes, protein drinks, or post-workout smoothies wherever you are without needing a kitchen nearby. Another nice touch is the integrated display, which lets you quickly check battery status and blending modes, making everyday use a little more convenient. It's best suited for softer ingredients like fruits, yogurt, and protein powder rather than large amounts of ice. For budget-conscious buyers looking for portability and convenience above all else, this blender bottle earns its place in the ranking. Coming in at number 7 is the Oyster Portable Blender Bottle, and this one stands out because it feels a little more refined than many entry-level options. If you're someone who regularly makes smoothies on the go, the leak-proof design alone can make a huge difference. No one wants a protein shake spilling inside a gym bag or backpack. The 500 milliliter capacity hits a sweet spot too, giving you enough room for a satisfying smoothie without making the bottle bulky or inconvenient to carry. One feature that users will appreciate is the reversible blending function, which helps prevent ingredients from getting stuck around the blades and creates a smoother consistency with less effort. The rechargeable battery and travel-friendly design make it ideal for busy mornings, office use, or post-workout drinks. While it may not replace a full-size kitchen blender for tougher ingredients, its convenience, portability, and trusted Oyster build quality make it an easy pick for this spot on our list. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the number 6 spot, we have the Buzvuya Portable Blender, a model designed for people who want healthy drinks without adding extra hassle to their daily routine. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek bottle-style design, which feels more like carrying a regular water bottle than a blender. That makes it especially convenient for commuting, keeping on your desk at work, or taking along during outdoor activities. The 500 milliliter capacity gives you enough space for a full breakfast smoothie, protein shake, or refreshing fruit drink without needing a second serving. Its rechargeable operation means you can blend fresh ingredients practically anywhere, helping you avoid expensive store-bought smoothies throughout the week. The carrying strap is another practical touch, making transportation even easier when you're on the move. Although it's better suited for fruits and softer ingredients than dense frozen mixes, the combination of portability, simplicity, and everyday convenience makes this a very appealing option for casual users. Halfway through the ranking, in 5th place, we have the Prasky Portable Blender, and this is the kind of model that makes life easier for people who are constantly on the move. Unlike some basic portable blenders, this one puts a strong focus on convenience. The included carrying strap makes it incredibly easy to take from the office to the gym, on hikes, or even while traveling. Another standout feature is the flip-top drinking lid, so once your smoothie is ready, there's no need to pour it into another bottle. Just blend and drink. The 500 milliliter capacity is large enough for a complete breakfast shake or post-workout drink, while the rechargeable design keeps you free from outlets and cords. It also handles everyday ingredients like fruits, protein powder, and yogurt with ease. If you need a portable blender that feels practical for everyday use and encourages healthier habits on the go, the Prasky definitely deserves this position on our list. At number 4, we have the Dasigwa Portable Blender, a surprisingly affordable option that's perfect for anyone just getting started with homemade smoothies. What really makes this model appealing is its simplicity. There are no complicated controls or extra settings to learn. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and you're ready to go. That straightforward approach makes it especially attractive for students, busy professionals, or anyone trying to build healthier habits without adding more complexity to their day. Its compact design also means it won't take up much space, whether you're storing it in a small apartment, carrying it to work, or packing it for travel. The rechargeable battery gives you the flexibility to prepare fresh drinks almost anywhere, helping you skip expensive smoothie shops and save money over time. While it performs best with cut fruit, yogurt, and softer ingredients, for users looking for an easy, portable, and budget-friendly blending solution, this model delivers excellent everyday value and comfortably earns the 4th spot in this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3, we have the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, and this is where performance really starts to step up. Ninja has built a strong reputation in the blending world, and that experience shows here. This model is ideal for people who want a portable blender but don't want to sacrifice too much power. Thanks to its dedicated blend and crush functions, it does a noticeably better job handling frozen fruit and ice compared to many budget competitors, resulting in smoother drinks with less effort. The removable vessel design also makes cleaning much easier, which is a huge advantage if you're making shakes every day. Another feature worth mentioning is the leak-proof lid, allowing you to blend, twist, and head out the door in seconds. Whether you're preparing breakfast before work, making post-gym protein shakes, or keeping healthy while traveling, the Ninja Blast offers the kind of reliability that busy users appreciate. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and stronger blending performance easily earns it a place among the very best options available. In the runner-up position, we have the AudiPure Portable Blender, and this model is a fantastic option for people who value portability above everything else. Its slim, bottle-like design makes it incredibly easy to slip into a tote bag, backpack, or even carry by hand, thanks to the integrated ring handle. If you're constantly moving between work, the gym, classes, or travel destinations, this is exactly the kind of blender you'll appreciate having around. Despite its compact footprint, it still delivers enough performance for everyday smoothies, protein shakes, fresh juices, and meal replacements. The magnetic charging system is another feature that adds convenience, making recharging quick and hassle-free without dealing with bulky cables. What really stands out, though, is how effortlessly it fits into a healthy lifestyle. Instead of relying on expensive pre-made drinks, you can prepare fresh blends whenever you need them. While the smaller capacity may not suit users looking for large servings, for maximum portability, elegant design, and everyday convenience, the AudiPure easily secures the number 2 spot on this list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Voltirex electric shaker bottle. And for many people, this will simply be the most practical all-around choice. Unlike traditional portable blenders that focus mainly on fruit smoothies, the Voltirex is specifically designed for users who regularly prepare protein shakes, meal replacements, supplements, or fitness drinks. If you spend time in the gym, train regularly, or follow a nutrition plan, this bottle can quickly become part of your daily routine. What makes it stand out is its powerful vortex mixing system, which creates smooth, lump-free shakes in seconds without the need for blending balls or manual shaking. The large capacity is another major advantage, allowing you to prepare bigger servings without constantly refilling. It's also remarkably easy to clean, which is something busy users will appreciate after long workouts. While it's not intended for crushing whole fruits or large ice cubes, when it comes to convenience, reliability, portability, and everyday usability, the Voltirex offers the best overall experience for most users, making it our top recommendation in this ranking.